The Xiaomi V2 Mini Drone is a small, foldable quadcopter designed for beginners and casual flyers. With a focus on portability and ease of use, this drone is perfect for those new to aerial photography and FPV flying. The V2 Mini offers a combination of basic HD camera capabilities, simple controls, and exciting stunt functions, making it a great toy for both indoor and outdoor fun. Ultra-compact and foldable design, the V2 Mini is all about portability. It features a foldable design, shrinking from an open size of 9.5 by 9.5 by 3 cm to an incredibly compact 5 by 5 by 3 cm when folded. This small size makes it easy to carry in a pocket or bag, ready for flight anytime, anywhere. Basic HD camera and FPV, the drone is equipped with an 8K HD camera that supports FPV functionality. This allows for real-time video transmission to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, giving you a pilot's eye view of your flight. While marketed as 8K, this likely refers to the camera's sensor resolution, with the actual video transmission being at a lower resolution suitable for FPV. The camera also supports a self-timer function for creative aerial selfies. Simple and intuitive controls, the V2 Mini is designed with ease of use in mind. It features a left-hand throttle remote control and a variety of one-button functions, including one-click takeoff, one-click roll, and a one-click return. The compassless headless mode simplifies flying by allowing you to control the drone relative to your position, regardless of the drone's orientation. Stable flight performance, the drone utilizes a 6-axis gyroscope for stable and smooth flight. Its fixed altitude mode and stable flight hover features help beginners maintain control and capture steady shots. The drone also features 5-sided obstacle avoidance, which, along with a foldable design, enhances safety during flight. Fun stunt capabilities, the V2 Mini is not just for photography, it's also built for fun. With a simple command, you can perform a 360-degree pattern roll, adding a thrilling dimension to your flying sessions. Decent flight time and range, powered by a 3.7V 700 mAh battery, the drone offers a flight time of approximately 10 minutes on a single charge. The charging time is around 90 minutes via the included USB cable. It has a remote control distance of 50 to 80 meters, which is suitable for casual flying and provides enough range for beginners. In summary, the Xiaomi V2 Mini Drone is an excellent choice for a beginner's drone, offering a great balance of portability, fun, and essential features at an affordable price. Its ultra-compact foldable design makes it a convenient travel companion, while its simple controls and stunt capabilities make it a joy to fly. With its basic HD camera and FPV functionality, the V2 Mini is a perfect gateway to the exciting world of drones. Stay connected, like, share, comment and subscribe for more drone reviews and tech tips.